Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make money simple and smart. Today, we are going to talk on the most important topics for your financial future, the best investment options in your 20s, 30s, and 40s. Whether you're just starting out or trying to catch up, this video is your financial roadmap. Alright, your 20s are all about building strong habits. You may not earn much yet, but time is your biggest weapon thanks to the compound interest. Top 3 investment options in your 20s. 1. Mutual funds through SIPs. Start with just $500 a month. It's low risk, high discipline. 2. Index funds. Simple, low-cost way to invest in the stock market. 3. Your skills. Yes, courses, certifications, or even starting a side hustle is an investment that multiplies your income potential. Your 40s are about consolidating wealth and preparing for retirement. Risk appetite drops, but smart investing is still key. Top 4 investment options in your 40s. 1. Debt funds or bonds. Lower risk, steady income. 2. NPS, National Pension Scheme, for retirement planning with tax benefits. 3. Health insurance, non-negotiable. Costs rise as you age. 4. Balanced mutual funds, mix of equity and debt to reduce volatility. 40s equals stability plus safety, retirement planning. No matter your age, the best time to invest was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow while you sleep. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs a financial boost. And comment below, which age group are you in, and what are your favorite investment tools? Subscribe for more money wisdom made simple. Until next time, invest smart, live rich. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.